Yeah, hello guys. My name is Maureen Onoha. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe if you never did, so that whenever I upload, you will be the first person to notify. Don't forget to click notification bell, please. Yeah, my people, I don't come again. Today topic is for ladies. Yeah, it's for my fellow ladies. Yeah, so this is just an advice. It's an advice, please. So if my advice is not good, just throw away the advice. Please don't throw away me. Please just throw away the advice. But I believe this my advice is going to help a lot because it's what I have experienced. It's what I have experienced, and I have get the experience too from my grandma when she was still alive. May her soul rest in peace. Amen. So, guys, this topic is for ladies above 40 years. If you are above 40 years, let me say from 40 years down, my dear, and no man have ever told you, I will marry you, or ask you, will you marry me? My dear, my advice to you is that just get belle, born. Yes, you need to born. You need to born. You need to born your fellow human being, yes. Not just waste your life in this world, say, waiting people go gossip. Nobody, no one is good in this earth. Even though you born in your papa house, they must gossip you. Even though you're not born for your papa house, they must gossip you. So why did you want to allow yourself to just waste like that? It's not done. You know, there is age that way women will reach now. It cannot be able to give birth. At age of 50 now, it's 50-50. Maybe when you can able to see a husband at age of 50 now, oh, your mind will be hanged for up. Can I still give a birth? Can I still give a birth? You'll be praying to God, say, can I still have it? Because once you stop seeing your menstruation, my dear, your own is finished. So my advice for my fellow ladies now is that just give birth. It doesn't mean anything. It doesn't stop you. It doesn't stop anything from you, because man will love you, go still marry you even though you have 10. I have noticed it. Even though you have 10, that man will still get married to you. Look, some men are afraid of to marry women wey be say they never give birth. They are afraid, and maybe their mind will be say, what if I marry you tomorrow, can you be able to bear me a child? That's why you see some men, before they will get married to you, then they will like to test. They will like to enter and make sure say you get belle before they can able to marry you, before they will take you to altar. And we are seeing it like it's not good. We are seeing it like it's not good. It's not unfair. It's not unfair. It's unfair because no man like to have a woman, have a wife in her house and is not going to bear any kids. No man need it. Everybody needs a baby. Everybody needs a baby. So my advice that don't even reason say I no get money in my account or bank. I no get money to train that kids if I have it. What am I going to train the kid? No, don't even reason it, because some child they bring luck. Some child they bring good luck. Maybe you are at age of 40, 45, 50. You never see any man wey say, will you marry me? You can't give birth. Maybe that child now will bring good luck to you. Maybe once you put to bed now, you will see people will start seeing her. You will see people will start coming. You will be wondering, how some baby they bring good luck to person. maybe it's a charm for you to not enter my house. But once you give birth, we divine that cost. That cost is divine already. Once you give the birth, that cost must be break already. Once you give birth. Not just reason say the money I will use train that kid. No, I don't have that money, my dear. Don't reason am because you no go know how you go take train that kid. Even though he wants for you to suffer and train the kid, even to go and start selling like pure water, granules, anything you can lay your hand for you to train that kid. Just do it and train that kid. I promise you, at the end you will not regret it. Yes, because when you are going to regret it is when you don't have anything in this world and left this world and go. Oh, when you reach there, you will be crying. Oh. If you dey inside your grave, my dear, you will be crying had I know. You will be crying had I know. How wish I would keep something that they used to be remembering me before I left this world. My dear, it's very important. It's very, very important. Some people, they become father second wife. That's Igbo, they call them nnagano. You go become second wife in your papa house. That second wife now, you no go think maybe just even now one you born, one is okay. So that in case of anything tomorrow, God forbid, you just go from there. At least who see that girl, who see that pikin, whether na girl, whether na boy, go they say, hey, yes, so who born so girl like this, or who so born so boy like this, say now so person like this, then go say, oh, may so rest in peace. Then who is that baby? They remember you, even if you vanish in this world. That baby is a very gift that nobody can forget you in this world. Don't become nagano. At the end, you no go achieve anything. You go just carry that thing where as God take create you, come this world. You go still carry am like that, go back. Just like that. Without dropping anything. My dear, your name na sorry. Your name na sorry. You need to drop something so that you are in this earth. It will never be in vain for you. Because I have seen some lady wey be say them be nagano. Second their papa second wife. They will just remain there just like that, waiting upon the Lord, waiting upon the Lord, waiting upon the Lord until the kingdom come, until then go just go. Just like that though. Nothing to use remember them. Now that one na fuck up. Oh. Na very big fuck up, my dear. Because any man will love you, even though you have 10 kids, that man must marry you. As far as he loves you. Kids are a blessing. I have been chatting with some men. Don't forget to leave your comments in my comment section, please. Because I used to normally go with comments. I have chat with some men. A man will say, even if you have 10, even if you have more than 10, even if you have less than 10, no problem. I just love you. I will marry you. You have a child in your papa house. Doesn't stop any man to marry you, my dear. It doesn't stop anything. It doesn't stop anything from you. It doesn't stop anything. So let's stop fooling ourselves. We are fooling ourselves by saying if you have child, it's not good. That people will gossip you. Gossip you, okay? Even if you don't have, they must gossip. Nothing we will do for this world where people no go gossip you. They must gossip you, whether you like it or not. That gossip must go on. So you better do the one that is going to help you and suit you. Yeah. Do the one that is going to suit you. My grandmother only tell me that my daughter, because I was grow up with my grandma, he always told me, say, my daughter, even if you didn't see anybody that marry you reach at age of 40, my dear, just get belle, born am, so that they will born and carry am. Maybe people go dey think say this one no fit born again. If you then see where you born, carry am now, you go see so many people go dey come say, I won't marry you. Look, let me tell you, man no dey marry people wey be say they know they know if you give them pikin o. Na pikin be the ultimate. Man no fit born you, come born you follow man, come keep for house o. Na lie o. Na lie, your man no fit do am. Wetin he come marry you for? No be to give am pikin. If you no come fit give pikin, wetin you wan come use you dey do? You wan turn to chair abi wheelbarrow? Which one you wan turn to for inside im house? Make una think am o. Make una think am, because it's no good say you go come this world, you go just go like that, say man say we never see man wey ask you how are you, how are you. I wan marry me, wan marry me. E go just dey there dey roast like roasting yam. No, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense, eh? Don't just carry this thing as God take create am. You go just carry am like that, go back. You go regret am o. Even in Europe here, some Oyibo don't want to born. But when some see say they don't go out of age, because some they fear to born for Europe. No be all Oyibo they like to give birth. Some say they don't want all those stress, all those things, they don't want them. But before they will die, they will go and buy any living thing, like dog, like cat, and write their name, name it for their ways. Yes, that dog will become their pikin. They go write their will, give the dog. Even though they die today, they go use that dog, they remember am. Now it be nothing like remember. Say then they remember so person like my dear. If you no keep anything for this world to die, your name na sorry. Even if you na one you born, it's okay. I not tell you say make you go born for your papa house. One is okay. Oyibo they buy dog, give them name. Buy pussy cat, give am. Write name, give am. Write in way, give am. We go dey quarrel. Say why then they write the name they give animal? Because he no want. He say he no want children. But he no want vanish like that without keeping something. Then go use they remember am. Something wey be say go dey, if you see that, you go say who get am? Na so person like this get am. So may we wise up. May we wise up. This message is very important. May we wise up. It's very important for my fellow ladies that above 40 and still praying to God, waiting for God Almighty to bring their husband, my dear. No time, eh? Time no day. Time no day at all. So you better think, reason. Follow me, reason this issue, reason this matter. I dey tell you, reason this matter very well, my dear. You need to drop something, eh? Even all those celebrity wey they see so, all of them don't drop. All of them drop. Both their actress, both actors, then don't drop. Everybody get one in their papa house. They know what thing then they do, then don't drop. That's why they see some. They go say they married and divorced. Then don't drop one. All those singers, might start to they call their names. Where we say their baby mama full everywhere. Some don't born one. Baby mama 1, baby mama 2, baby mama 3, baby mama 4. Now so then still be baby papa 1, baby papa 2, baby papa 3. No just dey there. No just dey there, they deceive yourself. Man, you know some man they like woman when they say no need to high, then go carry you come house, then go fuck you. After fuck you finish, then go leave you. Now that one ain't be good, waiting them what from you. So my sister and my follow people when they watch me, I'm still the boss lady way you know. The more when you say, you know they hear where, you know they hear one, you heard no they house, so na be me. So please, may una help me subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be getting when I upload. Thank you very much. And I want you guys to just leave your comment in my comment box so that we will continue where we stopped. I love you guys. One love. One love to every one of you. One love. I love you guys. Okay? So, one love. Just reason with me. One love. Okay? Bye.